Hi, I'm Kateri Gabrielle.
And I'm Roxanne Holthaus.
In this video series, we're going to cover the most commonly asked questions we get about the Sim2Grow system.
We hope you find this video helpful and that it answers any questions you might have. So let's dive in.
What is Sim2Grow? We're excited to introduce you to our medication administration training system designed to give your nursing students unlimited hands-on practice safely administering medication from medroom to bedside. Medication administration errors by nurses can have serious consequences, and it's a growing concern in our industry in light of recent national headlines. That's why it's critical for nursing students to have ample practice passing meds before graduation. As educators in a community college nursing program, we faced the lack of affordable, realistic medication administration training tools firsthand. As a result, Sim2Grow was born. Designed and programmed to be a leading tool in nursing education as an easy-to-use medication administration training system like nothing else on the market. The Sim2Grow system includes all the critical elements necessary to teach safe MedPass while eliminating the confusion and frustration that often comes with hospital dispensing systems or makeshift approaches. We're proud to say that since our launch in 2015, we've supported thousands of students in their ability to practice safe MedPass, and we have nursing schools across the U.S. using our medication administration training system. Students deserve unlimited medication administration practice of this critical skill because patient lives are at stake. And as educators, we know that your time is valuable. You deserve an easy-to-use training system that works all day, every day. Spend your time teaching future nurses, not hassling with broken or unreliable equipment. Sim2Grow is dedicated to making both of these happen.
How does Sim2Grow teach and reinforce critical elements of MedPass? The Sim2Grow system teaches and reinforces critical elements of MedPass by providing unlimited practice opportunities for students, an integrated start-to-finish training environment, real barcode scanning, and embedded educational prompts. With instant reset between uses, the Sim2Grow system provides unlimited practice opportunities for students to develop the muscle memory skills and critical thinking skills needed to safely administer medications. Students can practice the MedPass process as many times as they need to, and they can focus on the specific critical steps that they need to improve on. Integrated start-to-finish training environment that takes students from the medroom all the way through the process to the bedside. This allows students to practice the entire MedPass process in a realistic setting. The Sim2Grow system uses real barcode scanning to confirm both the patient and medication identification. This helps to ensure that students are administering the correct medication to the correct patient. The Sim2Grow system includes embedded educational prompts that remind students of best practices, such as confirming the drug to the eMAR and locking the system after each use. These prompts help to reinforce the critical elements of MedPass and help students to avoid errors. Sim2Grow system is designed to focus on the steps of safe med-admin, not memorizing particular system screens. This allows students to learn the critical elements of MedPass in a way that is transferable to any clinical setting.
What comes with the system, and what else do I need to buy? The Sim2Grow Med-Admin training system includes everything you need to teach all the critical elements of safe medication administration. Here's what's included in each system. A durable mobile cart with plenty of storage capacity for medication tags, medication administration supplies, and any accessories you would like to have available for the students. The cart locks so you can feel free to put your iPad and barcode scanner in the bottom drawer at the end of the day for added security. There's a dispensing iPad in a black protective case. This iPad shows the students the dispensing side of the software so they can practice the side-by-side screen comparison of the patient record and the medication order. One or more eMAR iPads are in green protective cases. Each are Bluetooth attached to its own barcode scanner. The eMAR iPad is used in the medroom for the side-by-side screen comparison with the dispensing pad. After using the eMAR iPad in the medroom, students continue with the eMAR side of the software to complete the MedPass procedure, including barcode scanning, confirmation of the patient identification and of the medication, and post-administration electronic documentation. Other documentation supported by the Sim2Grow system includes assessment data related to medications, such as vital signs, auscultation, pain assessment, and I&O. 145 proprietary sustainable barcode medication tags representing the most commonly prescribed acute care medications. Additionally, there are 50 non-formulary medication tags for you to use as a specialty medication for as long as you like. You can easily change them when you no longer need that medication. The tags can be used alone, or simply use a rubber band to attach the tag to a syringe, vial, IV solution bag, or other medications that you provide. Another option available is a PDF of all the barcodes that can be printed and affixed to your simulated medications.
How much does the Sim2Grow system cost? We offer 3 levels of pricing to match your specific program, budget, and educational needs, starting at $14,000. As you know, this is a fraction of the cost of systems hospitals use. We're able to provide these savings because we took out the complexity that goes with real hospital systems and replaced it with practical, easy-to-use, reliable hardware and software. To learn more about package costs, visit our website. Our transparent pricing means you're not going to be surprised by hidden costs. As a program purchase with no per-student fees, you can have as many students practicing all day, every day, without worrying about adding to the financial burden of your students.
What's included with the annual licensing? Our modestly priced and comprehensive licensing truly protects your investment and provides peace of mind. This includes onboarding. We'll help you get set up and running with the Sim2Grow system. Ongoing customer support. We're here to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot any problems. Free annual refresher training. We'll keep your team up to date on the latest features and best practices for using the Sim2Grow system. Upgrades in the software. This includes bug patches, new features, and new formulary expansion tags. Replacement iPads every 3 years. We understand that equipment ages, and we will replace your iPads at the end of every 3 years so you can rest easy knowing they'll be reliable.
How can the Sim2Grow system be integrated with what I already have? The Sim2Grow system can be integrated with a variety of existing systems, including patient cases, dispensing units, and charting systems. If you already have patient cases that you use for your simulation, you can use them with the Sim2Grow system. The Sim2Grow system allows you to add new patients and adjust orders easily, so you can keep your cases up to date. If you already have a dispensing system or a charting system, you can contact the Sim2Grow team to learn how you might be able to integrate the Sim2Grow system with your existing dispensing or charting systems. The Sim2Grow team can help you determine if the Sim2Grow system is a good fit for your needs and how to integrate it with your existing dispensing or charting system. A discovery call with the Sim2Grow team is the best way to learn more about how the Sim2Grow system can be integrated with your existing systems. During the discovery call, the Sim2Grow team will discuss your specific needs and requirements and help you determine if the Sim2Grow system is a good fit for you. You can schedule a discovery call by clicking the link on our website.
What's involved in the initial setup? You have a busy schedule, so we did most of the setup for you. No need for tedious software or cart configurations before you can even think about passing meds. You can be up and running in an afternoon by following these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Cart prep. Simply attach the wheels to the cart. Put the medication tags into the labeled drawer inserts. The lot number on the back indicates where to put the tag, and place the included labels onto the drawer fronts. Step 2. Add your patients and their orders. It takes a minute or less to enter a patient's demographics. A medication order can be entered in less than a minute each. Feel free to add as many patients as you like. Each patient can have as many medication orders as you need. The software will automatically generate a PDF with unique barcoded wristbands for all of your patients. Email this wristband PDF to your desktop computer to print. Step 3. Share the file to the other iPads. Use the iPad AirDrop technology to share your populated file to the other iPads. All of your patient cases you have created or acquired can easily be added to our system. Our Premium Plus system even comes with 3 patient cases, so you can start passing meds right out of the box. You won't be left to struggle during setup. The Sim2Grow team created resources to streamline your data entry, and we walk you through everything in your super user training. We also provide faculty training for the casual users. We want to make sure students can be passing meds all day, every day.
What is involved in the ongoing maintenance? The Sim2Grow system is designed to be easy to maintain, so you can spend more time teaching and less time cleaning up. Here are the few things you need to do. Instruct students to return the med tags to the proper pocket in the dispensing unit. The lot number on the back of each tag indicates where it should go. At the end of the session, plug the devices into charge so they're ready for use the next day. That's it. The Sim2Grow system is designed to be as low maintenance as possible so you can focus on teaching your students. The software automatically resets in between student use.
What is Sim2Grow's impact on our IT department? IT departments are often called in for SIM equipment purchases to discuss network bandwidth requirements, firewall security, and FERPA compliance. Sim2Grow doesn't have any of these concerns. Sim2Grow is an app that is not cloud-based, so it doesn't need access behind your facility firewall. When the system is being used by students, there is no need to have the iPads connected to Wi-Fi. There are no individual student logins, so you save time between student use and never have to deal with forgotten passwords.
How is Sim2Grow different from other systems? Sim2Grow is different from other systems in a few key ways. It's integrated. Sim2Grow is a complete system that includes everything you need to teach all the critical elements of safe medication administration. This includes a rugged mobile cart, a dispensing unit, medication tags, barcode scanners, and software. You don't need to worry about compatibility issues like you would when piecing together other products. It's easy to use. Sim2Grow is designed to be easy to set up and use, so you can be up and running in an afternoon. The software is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the hardware is durable and reliable. No need to maintain individual student user accounts. Other systems can be difficult to set up and cumbersome to reset in between uses. It's affordable. Sim2Grow is a cost-effective solution for teaching safe medication administration. The system is priced as a program purchase with no per-student fees. The modest annual licensing protects your investment and isn't based on numbers of students in your program. It's sustainable. Sim2Grow uses reusable medication tags, which eliminates the need for expensive consumables. The system is also designed to be low maintenance, so you can spend more time teaching and less time cleaning up. It's backed by a team of experts. Sim2Grow was developed by nurse educators for nurse educators. The Sim2Grow team is committed to providing you with the support you need to get the most out of the system.
Thanks so much for watching.
If you have more questions or you're ready to talk to us, you can contact us at the link below.